So, good morning. This is the first video of 2024 now. Actually, not like last year where I was doing a video whenever I wanted to really. This, I'm guaranteeing, well, trying to guarantee, I'm going to do a video every other week, if not every week. Now I've got a new build coming along with my MX-5 and we're sorting out other bits and pieces with cars. So, first video of the year, as it was last year, Brooklands. Every year Brooklands have a historic car event. It's 1994 and under, yet for some weird reason they allow some supercars in for shits and gigs, I guess. But it is currently, I don't have a watch on, but it is currently 10:30. The event started at 9. And that means I'm late. So let's get straight into the video. We'll probably miss some of the cars, but yeah, let's see. And the GT3. Oh. Oh, I was going through as well. I love those M3. That was the most anticlimactic launch I've ever seen in my life. And the Escort. Oh. So when you get two cars leaving at the same time, you don't know who to look at, and whoever makes the most noise. Oh, look at it! The Uwu car. Oh. Yeah. Dressing up as well.
That's exactly what it was.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, grind it till you find it. Chilled, is it? Probably that. Oh, there's DB12 coming out as well. Oh, and the Lance Maserati. Oh shit, stand back, Mustang. Yeah. I sat there last night specking one of those on the Aston Martin configurator. It won't tell you.
Price of an Aston.
It was like F1 edition as well. Oh really? So quiet for an Aston. Oh, hello. And a chaser as well right next to it. Because everybody loves the white chaser. That's so nice. And an M3 wagon.
I don't think you know what's happening.
No.
Yeah, you got an A3, I think.
Ferrari California. Oh fucking hell, look at the BMW.
That's nice down, yeah. Nice sort of well. Very disappointed at that.
He's letting you go. Go on. Oh, it's a Ferrari van. Oi, Finance S3. You're going in the wrong entrance. Oh, it is. That sounds good. Just one. Jesus Christ. That's a V8 for you. Oh, I didn't see the flame.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Of course not.
Who was it?
Yeah, so I
Yeah. What? Storage? Oh no, this one isn't. This is going down full time. Oh, look at the two poo brown Aston Martins. Come on. Go! Go! There you go, that's what I want to see on every single bloody car. One tyre fire. No, it's just really soft. Oh, and the Pontiac's back as well. Fucking hell! It's 350, isn't it? Happy New Year! The bloody stacks on it! It's gonna hit the trees in a second. Jesus Christ. The amount of camber on the rear of that. It's got a tow bar on it as well. Whoa. Who's going where? Who's going where? Well done. Well, unpopular opinion, I think all UK drug dealers need to drive around in those.
Yeah.
So, I hope you all did enjoy this video. I know I didn't really talk much in it. We saw a few cool cars. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy. Once again, I'll be uploading videos now once every other week or once a week. So I hope you do enjoy. More of the future videos are going to be more sort of vlog style, with me actually doing work on cars, or me with cars, or me driving cars, or me doing everything. Basically this channel is going to be a collection of everything I do for work, for personal, for fun, basically. With my work in historic racing, we'll basically be filming at Le Mans, not Le Mans but at Goodwood, and all around Europe as well. So I hope you do enjoy. Thank you very much. I hope you do subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.